Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Dear cadets, today we are going to discuss our next lecture of general science. Dear cadets, treatment of malfunctional kidneys. Dear cadet, um, treatment of the diseases of the kidneys. Dear cadets, first of all, we have the dialysis. Dear cadets, if our kidney is not functioning properly, then we can use the process, the procedure of the dialysis. Dear cadets, now we will study that what is dialysis. Dear cadets, a cleaning of the blood by artificial method is called dialysis. Dear cadets, cleaning of the blood by artificial method is called dialysis. Dear cadets, it is done by a machine called dialyzer. Here we can see in our in the figure. This is the machine. This whole machine is known as dialyzer because this proceed our dialysis process. So this is known as dialyzer. Dear cadets, the blood of the patient is passed through the dialyzer, which contains dialysis fluid. Dear cadets, blood flows through the tubes of the dialyzer, and dialysis fluid flows around these tubes. The waste material moves from blood to the dialysis fluid. The cleaned blood is returned to the body. Take care. Here we can see in the figure that within a blue circle, this all is all the apparatuses of dialyzer. It is a machine known as a dialyzer. Dear cadets, these red colored are tubes. These are the tubes which are connected with uh, both a dialyzer machine and with the human arm, human blood. Because this is the hand hand of a human being. Because within the hands of the human being, some vessels, veins and arteries, two vessels are present. Dear cadets, now one tube is entered in the blood of the human being, and this here we can see that this tube is going and entering into the dialyzer machine. Here is a tank-like structure from within which the our tube tube carrying blood is entering in zigzag manner, and this is now leaving from here. You can see arrow from here. This blood carrying tube is leaving the dialyzer machine, and it is entering back into the human body. Now, what how this cleaning of the blood take place in the dialyzer machine? Actually, the cadets, these bottles, this bottle contains this blue colored bottle contain fresh dialysis fluid. Dialysis fluid is present within this bottle. So through the tube, this fresh dialysis fluid enters into the tank. So dear cadets, around the tube carrying blood, all the empty space is filled with the dialysis fluid. Dear cadets, this fluid is present around the tube having the blood. So, exchange of waste material is take place here. From the blood, waste material is diffused into the diffused from the tube walls into the dialysis fluid. So, in other words, we can say that dialysis fluids extract, extracts, receives waste material from the blood, and now this waste material, the used dialysis fluid, now enters from another opening out of the tank into the new bottle-like storage tank. There can now blood is cleaned, and now this blood can go back to the human body. Dear cadets, this all was the process of the dialysis. Dear cadets, now second treatment is kidney transplant. Dear cadets, in this method is used at the last stage of the kidney failure. It is the last treatment, last option. In this method, a kidney donated by some healthy person is grafted in the body of the patient. Because in this method, some healthy relative, the close person of the patient, donates kidney, and this healthy kidney now is grafted, is transplanted, is fixed within the body of patient. Dear cadets, the donor of the kidney may be the blood relative, वो खूनी रिश्तेदार भी हो सकता है, or any other close relative. Dear kids, this is the process. Here we can see in the figure that these two were the actual original kidneys of a person. Now, but one of them is diseased. This is a failed. One kidney is not functioning properly, then someone healthy person donated this kidney. This is the I am writing D means donated. This is the donated kidney, and it is grafted at one place in our body, and now this kidney will function properly like the original kidney. Dear cadets, lithotripsy and kidney transplant are the well-known technologies used in the medical science to cure the kidney problems. Dear cadets, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.